CBS 6 News starts now.
Good evening. Day one wrapping up in the murder trial of Kevin Monahan. A jury seated yesterday hearing opening statements in a Washington County courtroom as family and friends of Kaylin Gillis sat by.
And today, for the first time, we heard the heart of the defense's case. Monahan's attorney saying the shooting was an accident, that Monahan's gun was defective. The prosecution says the evidence will prove otherwise. CBS 6's Ashley Kusakonki is sitting in on the trial for us, joining us live right now from Fort Edward.
And Ashley, what have we learned so far?
Well, Liz, Greg, some of that first testimony that we heard today was from the 911 operator who took both of the calls from Kevin Monahan and from the friends in the car with Kaylin Gillis. We also heard those recordings, too, and we heard as the 911 operator was instructing the friends to perform CPR on Gillis. We even heard one of her friends say, "I think she is dead." Jinx, the wife of Kevin Monahan, also took the stand today, and she will continue her testimony tomorrow, but she did say that she was home that night. She heard the shots fired, but did not see Kevin Monahan shoot it himself. And that was because she was in a closet hiding for safety after Kevin Monahan told her to go inside. Saturday, April 15th, 2023 ended with tragedy. While driving to a friend's house, 20-year-old Kaylin Gillis, her boyfriend Blake, and others got lost. Two cars and a motorcycle drove up Kevin Monahan's driveway on Patterson Hill Road in Hebron by mistake. He is accused of shooting at them. The defense fighting back against the murder charge.
This was a terrible accident. Somebody should have realized that by now.
Lead defense counsel Arthur Frost is representing Kevin Monahan. Kaylin Gillis was hit by one of two rounds prosecutors say were fired from Monahan's shotgun. The first, a warning shot, the second, striking Gillis.
They're able to ask everyone if they're all right. Jacob says yes. Alex says yes. Blake has asked the question. He's all right. Kaylin doesn't answer.
It was several minutes before the group was able to connect with 911. Kaylin was pronounced dead along Cemetery Road, several miles away. Frost placing the blame on the gun itself.
This gun is defective. It's broken. It malfunctions. It will shoot even when no one pulls the trigger. And he's walking, and he's looking, and he stumbles, and he bangs the gun. And it goes off.
I wish they'd get out of my yard so I could go back to bed. Those were the words of Kevin Monahan to the 911 operator about the police who were in his driveway after he shot and killed Kaylin Gillis.
The two other charges for Monahan, reckless endangerment and tampering with evidence.
When the police are there, he is giving the 911 operator false leads, false information after he shot at a vehicle. That shows an indifference to the value of the human life of the people in those cars.
Morris says some of what will help the people's case, not just the evidence, but a lack thereof.
So there's a number of things to look for when we're looking for a fired bullet. You're going to hear that nothing was found outside.
The defense's tactic, not disputing the facts, but how they're being interpreted.
Fear is probably the most primitive emotion that we have. It has one job: keep you alive. No one is here to blame Kaylin Gillis. All of our hearts grieve for her, pity her family. The community is diminished by her loss. But as Mr. Morris told you, you know he didn't kill her intentionally.
Now in court today, about 30 people were sitting in the gallery, friends and loved ones of Kaylin Gillis, including her father, Andrew. Now we will not be able to bring you another look inside the courtroom until the end, and that's in about 2 weeks, but we will be your eyes and ears inside that room, and we will bring you the latest developments on air and online. Reporting live in Fort Edward, Ashley Kusakonki, CBS 6 News.